This is our 82 Ferrari 308 GTSi. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the car. Following that, there will be some clips of the interior, as well as under the hood, and then a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. So we purchased this car from a doctor in the suburbs who had had it for the last 16 years. The car is in extremely nice condition. It's only a 17,000 mile car. Comes with quite a bit of documentation, including the original window sticker. Car retailed for just over $60 in 1982, which was about $145 at the time. But condition is pretty outstanding. It is a factory Grigio 700 car over red leather, which we absolutely love. It really makes these cars look sharp. The wheels were refinished about 3,000 miles ago professionally. They look great. Tires were put on at the same time, so they're a little bit older, but they're in great shape. Glass and light lenses are all clear and crack-free, though there is a tiny little chip towards the lower portion of the windshield. Lights and signals are all functional. Looks like most of the car is original paint. We put a paint gauge all over it, and we've gotten readings of anywhere between 4 and 5 for, what's called half the car, which would indicate original paint. Other portions more around 9, which would indicate 1 respray. Regardless, if there were panels resprayed, it was done very well. Body's nice and straight, no significant dents or anything like that. Red leather interior, which looks great. Door panels show no kicked open markings or any significant damage. Dash is really nice. The seats, center console, and door panels were all re-dyed in 2003. They look great. Color is still nice and vibrant. The R12 air conditioning is functional. The Kenwood radio is functional. Odometer reading of just over 17,000 miles is accurate. Blower and heat are functional as well. All the wipers, even the analog clock is still functional. Really well taken care of car. No deferred maintenance. Inquire for a scan of all the service records, but there was quite a bit. Most recent belt service was towards the end of 2014, 1,100 miles ago. Those belts and tensioners and water pump. You can see the condition of the interior is really good. Really the only signs of age are some light wear on the outer driver bolster. Center console looks very good. Now here are all the blemishes on the exterior. There are a couple tiny little chips. You can see one there, the lower driver front end. And then the most significant spot on the car, the end of the rocker corner, just a little flake there. It's not bubbling, but there is a flake there. There's a little nick at the bottom of the door. Work our way around, you can see all the black bits are all nice and deep color. The car clearly hasn't seen a ton of sun exposure, been well kept. You can see over here, passenger side, nice and dry. And then again, just a couple little chips. This one has touch-up on it. Overall, very clean. What you expect from a well taken care of 17,000 miler.